So my spice tolerance isn't actually that high, but I do like spicy food. I just know my face will go numb. Cooking the noodles. Uh, I just got back from the gym and I'm super hungry. So I'm feeling kind of faint. Likely gonna feel worse. I have no milk. So I'm just gonna let it pass after. I'm hoping it doesn't take more than 10 minutes. Pick this out to drain the noodles. And then I'm gonna stir fry the spicy salsa. Whoop! Drain! Okay. Ah. Oh man. The smell. Oh, this is gonna be bad. Well, I should have left more water and dilute the sauce a bit more. Well, does that matter? I'm pretty sure it doesn't matter. I mean, it's like 10,000 Scoville units for the times 2 pack. Okay. Ta-da! Look how nice this looks. It smells really good, but it's gonna hurt. It is going to hurt. It's hot. Hot. Mmm. Yummy. Yeah, it's spicy. I can already feel the burn on the back of my throat. My nose will run. It's good, but at the same time, I kind of want to just finish this and just let the heat just slowly dissipate away. It burns. how smart of it was it for me to just eat this on an empty stomach, but I'll find out later. Yeah. My mouth and my throat and my stomach is warm. And my face is burning. Why do people do this? I'm gonna lie down. Bye.